We are live in Miss Lewis's classroom. Reporter Kevonte Royce. And this here is my other reporter, Miss Lewis. And we just here for you today to, we had a major earthquake going on, man. I tell you, a whole lot of people died, buildings crashed, houses destroyed. I just tell you, it's just terrible. It's terrible. Ain't the reporter Miss Lewis. It's terrible. It's terrible. But we're gonna give you to Gabby Garcia and give you the weather and see how it's looking out there. I know it's looking pretty rough, so let's get it.
Oh my gosh, there has been a deafening earthquake. This earthquake is awful. By the way, this is Gabriella coming to you with the news. Oh my gosh, it's still happening! Oh my gosh, it's awful. This is back to Joy Royster.
I am interviewing one of the victims from the earthquake. What is your name?
James Henderson.
James, okay. Can you tell me what do you remember about the earthquake?
It was about 11 feet and very tormenting and dangerous.
What happened to your family?
Died.
Was it horrifying?
No,
Why?
because
How long did the earthquake last to you?
2 hours.
There you have it. Now back to Kevonte Royster.
You might be wondering, what are earthquakes?
What are earthquakes?
Yeah, what are they? Okay, well, earthquakes happen when two plates crash together and it relieves pressure in the middle. And it shakes the ground so horribly, buildings break, people die, and it's just awful.
Yes, it is very, very awful. So please find a place to be safe and not be inside no building or anything else that's tall, be in a shack or something, because that's something that can protect you in any type of earthquake, okay? Alright, you go ahead and explain.
There's also a seismograph. This seismograph is used to calculate an earthquake's energy.
Energy.
Okay, the end.
Most earthquake occurs along plate boundaries like the Pacific Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, Asia, and the mid-ocean ridges. You hear me coming with my white-out rumbling.
Lurking in the shadows, waiting to be awakened to my shaking.
With only one motive to cause a huge commotion.
Rocks break while I hum away my devious tune.
Sounding out like huge giant booms.
I am here with one of the
I'm so dumb because I was just like, what? Okay.
Miss Gabby Garcia.
Oh, stop.
How you doing, sir? How you doing, sir?
Hello, my name is Joy Royster, and I am
Bar graph too, as well. She can't go laugh, good.
You're so dumb. Okay, wait. You hear me coming out with me? Stop. That's the Miss Lewis dance.